Hey guys, it's Tyler Daw with Remax Connects, and we're introducing our newest listing, 75 Laughland Lane in Guelph. And this is how we're going to be doing our tours right now in terms of our open houses. We're not going to have any. We're going to do them this way, and I'm kind of super excited to show it to you. So, this is our house at 75 Laughland Lane. We're going to spin it around so you guys can see every angle. All right, this is our 3D image. It's 1,824 square feet. We have 3 bedrooms, 4 washrooms. It's got a full finished basement, but one of my favorite features is the big pie-shaped yard. I'm going to show you the pie-shaped yard right away just to get you guys in here, and if we click up here, you'll be able to get in there, and we're going to spin it around and up and down. All right. From now, I'm going to take you into the main floor. A great feature of this property is the 2-story entranceway. It makes it feel really grand and really spacious. You can see you're going up the stairs and you have your railings up here, and it's nice, bright, and open with plenty of windows. We'll lead through. We have our dining room to the left, access out to our patio, as well as a barbecue area, and our kitchen to the right, and our open living room. So it's all open concept. It's in great shape. You got to see this one. So take a look. We'll spin it around on the interior. We'll do a bit of a 360. Now, taking you upstairs, I mentioned the 2-story staircase. Takes you up to the first bedroom in the front of the house. We'll spin it. Takes you into the bathroom. And then if we hit the second kid's bedroom here. And the last thing, we're going to go to the master. The master's at the back of the house, so you don't get any street noise or anything like that. Has a large ensuite and a large walk-in closet, but the master bedroom's a good size as well. It's not just us stretching the photos. I know some sneaky guys out there. So take a look at this, and we'll spin it around. And the last thing I want to show you, I want to just zoom out here. I want to spin down to the basement. And then I want to go down to the basement because the basement has a 2-piece washroom as well as a rec room and a nice size utility room for all your storage. So take a look at that. Rotate it around. And then I want to go back to the front of the property. All right, I just want to talk about the area. We're just off Goodwin Drive in the south end. The closest major intersection is Clare Road and Gordon. We've got grocery stores. We've got restaurants, we've got the LCBO, we've got a movie theater, we've got Dollarama, you've got Pita Pit, we've got 4 banks. It's a great area for anybody looking to buy, and it's quick in and out of the city. So you can hit the Hanlon, you can hit Victoria South, or you can do Highway 6 and go straight down. You guys have to see this property. It's perfect. It's listed at $699.9, so it's very affordable. And the price is right on this one, guys. Okay, so come on in and take a look.